Hey guys, this is Olivia from Full Tilt Bike Company, and today we're going to take a deep dive into Tioga's Fastr line of tires. Tioga has been an industry leader in BMX racing for many years and is our #1 choice for our factory full tilt team riders. The tire industry in general has been very basic with only a couple options, although Tioga has changed that with their line of Fastr tires with more options than ever before. Today we will outline each of the Fastr tire models while discussing their use case. Alrighty, we are going to start with the OG Fastr tire. This is the first tire in the Fastr line that Tioga produced after the Power Block. What makes this tire a little bit different is the smooth tread pattern, and not scientifically proven, but from my past experience, it has the most supple compound out there. And this tire is what you want for a fast and dry condition. All right, next we are gonna get into the Fastr React tire. This is on the opposite side of the spectrum from the one that we just talked about, the OG Fastr tire. This is due to the deeper and more aggressive tread pattern. This tire has the most bite out of the 3 options that we have today, although this creates the most rolling resistance out of the 3 as well. All right, next on to the Fastr X tire. The Fastr X is a true hybrid that can be run in the front or the rear of your bike and is great for all conditions in our racing. This is the perfect set it and forget it kind of tire and something that I would run on my bike. Alrighty, in addition to our 3 tires, each of these tires comes in a black label variant. This black label variant adds a durability and actually has an avant-garde membrane inside of the tire. This avant-garde membrane increases your puncture and abrasion resistance for the tire. This black label variant is actually a tougher version of the originals, which the original have a max PSI of 60 PSI, whereas the black label have a 110 PSI rating. The black label tire is for those who are willing to sacrifice a little bit of weight for the added durability and the increased PSI. The best part about the Fastr line is that all of these tires are interchangeable, allowing you to pick and choose what you want for your custom build. And of course, all of these tires are available for purchase at fulltiltbike.com. You can click the link below to see our wide selection of race tires. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, but I want to hear what your favorite Fastr tire is. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace. Make sure you like, subscribe, and what the is the last part? Stay tuned for more.